Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve odd even linked list. It's on a lead code. The program number is 328. I will provide the program link in the description box. From there, you can directly jump to the program. It is a continued part of our linked list playlist. So do follow my playlist if you want to build up your concept from the very beginning. So let's move to the problem statement. It says you have given the head of a singly linked list. Group all the node with odd indices together followed by the node with the even indices and return the reorder list. So it basically means you have given the a linked list, head of the linked list, and you have to reorder it, rearrange it in such a way that the odd position node should come first and the even position node should come after the uh, odd position nodes. Let's understand it by example 1. In example 1, you have given a linked list and you have to rearrange it. So my odd position should become first. So my odd position nodes are 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5. So they should come first and after that even position numbers should come. So after that 2 and 4 should be coming and they are, and in the example 2 the odd position node should come first, means 2, 3, 6, 7. They are coming at in front, followed by even nodes, even position nodes, means 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4. So you have there are a few things that you should be keeping in mind, that our first node should be odd, means the first node will be the odd and the second node will be even. And the third node is of course the odd, fourth will be the even, and so on. So how will we approach it? Suppose if I put a pointer here, suppose odd, can I say, can your next point to this node, means odd, next of odd. Then again, can you point out to this node, means the next of this node should be pointing to this node, means we kind of creating a pointing, I mean a jumping kind of scene. And same for the even. Can node 2, can you point to this node, means next of this node? Yeah, it can, means you are making a node between the odd position, then you are even, and after that you simply point is next to the even edge. Let's understand detail by using a dry run. Or so you have given a linked list. Okay, suppose this is a linked list. Suppose this is a linked list. Okay, and you have to arrange it so that the order position node should come first. Means 1, 3, 5, and 7 should come first, followed by 2, 4, 6 even position node. So what I can do, can I point a pointer to the odd node, means odd is pointing to the odd node, even is pointing to the even position node, and I can simply say odd, can you point to next of next, means odd next and next to the next, means it's pointed 3. Yeah, it can. After that I can move my odd to here, and same for the even. Can you point, can your next point to the next of next, means 4? Of course it can. And then after that I can move my even to the 4. Then again my even moves to the 4, odd moves to the 3. So I can simply do the same thing. Can your next point to your next of next, means 5? It will say yes I can. Same for the even. Can you point to your next of next? It will say yes I can. So my even will move here, my odd will move here. So again I will do the same similar thing. I will say odd, can your next move to, can your next point to the my next of next? It will say yes I can. and same for the even. So even moves to the null, and when even moves to the null, you can stop it. And it was for the odd length. I think it's the odd length, na? Yeah, 4 plus 3, 7. It was for the odd length. Suppose it was the even length, means there was not any 7. So you can simply stop when my even next is null. So our base condition was is when my event reaches to the null and my even next reaches the null. In those case, you have to stop your traversing. After that, you can simply say odd. Just give me a second. It will be here and same for the event. I can simply say odd. Can your next point to the head of whatever this is? Let's suppose you can say it's an even head. Okay, let's suppose it's an even head. Yeah, it will say. So finally, you will get a linked list in a rearrange order where the odd number, odd position node will be coming in the front and even position number is coming at the back. So what do we need basically? We need two pointers, kind of two pointers, slow, odd and even. And odd, initially odd will be pointing to the first node and even pointer will be pointing to the second node. And one more pointer we need because even head, because we need to connect his next to the even head. So we need a even head pointer too. And after traversing, we can simply say odd next will be even head. So that's how we will code it. Now let's move our lead code and try to code it up. So what do we need? We need node, the least node type of odd. It will be pointing to the head. Initially, it will be pointing to the head. And same for the even. We need one more even. It will be pointing as a where? Next of head. Got it? Because initially my even was pointing to the where is it? Even is pointing to the even node. Okay. And what we need is a least node even head. Let's say is even head. It will be pointing to the even, or you can say the even. It will be a small o, and now we have to traverse in our linked list. So let's put a while loop, and what will be the condition? Like I said, we have to stop when my event reaches null and or you can say and my next of event reaches the null. So my base condition will be event should not be equal to null and my next of event should not be null. If they are null, you can directly stop there. And what we have to do, I will say odd. My next of odd, can you point to your next of next? Means what I'm saying is basically odd next will be pointing to the this node. Means odd of next. It is next and next of next. So basically odd next is pointing to is next of next. And same for the even. Same for the even. Even next, can you pointing to the is event next of next? And after that, what we need to do? What we need to do? I have to say that odd can you move here and even can you move here? So basically my odd moves to here and even moves to here because in the next iteration I can say odd next can you point it on your next of next. So what we need to do is I will say odd can you move to your next It will say, okay, I can. And same for the event. Event, can you move to the next? And if my while loop got completed, I will simply connect a link between this. My odd next will become my event head. So my odd next will be pointing to my event head. And after that, I can simply return header. You can see. And one more thing, it says the number of node in a linked list can be 0 to till the 10 to the power 4. So you have to check if my head is not equal to null and my head of next will should not be equal to null. If they are null, sorry, if they are null, you can simply return the head or null, whatever, not head. You should return not null, you should return head. Return the head because if they are only two node or less than two node, you don't have to rearrange it because they are already arranged. Okay, I think it should be working. Let's run it. Okay, let's submit up, and let's move to the Java solution. I have copied the whole thing, but it says runtime error member access within null. Okay, it will be or operator, not and, because if even one of the conditions satisfy, you have to return it. And I think it should be working where I am correcting it to. It should be and it should be or operator. And I think this should be working. Okay, it's got run. Then let's submit it up and let me copy the whole thing because I'm confident it should be running. Okay, and then let's move to the Java solution. In the Java, I will paste the whole thing, and what I will do, my header will be the null. It will be dot operator, not arrow operator. It will be a dot. At dot next will be null, and we don't have an pointer concept in Java, so let's remove the whole thing. I have been doing this from my very beginning. I want to uh, do some smart work, but I'm not using it. And this will be dot operator, same for the next dot next, and same for the odd. It should be the next dot next dot next. It will be dot next, same for this odd dot next dot next and odd dot next. Okay. Anything else we need to check? No. Let's run it. And I think it should be working. Okay. And you can check, you can try to do in a Python if you want to. Only thing you have to do is you don't need a list node here. In a while loop, you don't need this portion. You can directly say even or even dot next. It will automatically check if they are not null or something. And anything else with the same. Okay, so it is running perfectly fine. So what we did, We initially we took odd odd pointer pointing to the head or even pointer pointing to the next of head means even person. Then again I'm saying odd next, can you point to your next of next? It will say yes. Same for the even. Then at the end I'm pointing my next to the even head. So I hope you understand the concept or the intuition behind this problem. It is pretty much easy if you understand how to do it. So I hope you like it. If you like my video, do like it, subscribe, and if you have some comment, do comment below.